Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, let's see how to use the replace method to replace a string with another string. I am creating a variable and assigning it the value Kamal. Next, I am using the replace method within the print function to replace k with c and print the modified string. Here's the result, it shows camel. You can also replace multiple strings in a single line. Please take a look at how to do that. Here's the result. This time, it replaced the capital A with the lowercase e and printed the modified string as camel. Alright, let's see the split method. The split method returns a list where the text between the specified separator becomes the list items. Let's see that now. I am creating a variable A and assigning it a value. Next, I am creating a variable B and assigning it the output of A.split. Along with the split method, I'm adding a separator called the pipe symbol. Next, I am using the print function to display the value of B. Look at the result. It splits the string into substrings using the separator and returns the output as a list. We can also iterate over the values from the list using a for loop. We'll explore more about while and for loops in future videos. Look at the result. It printed all the values one by one. Alright. Let's talk about string concatenation. It combines two strings using the plus operator. Let's see that now. I am creating two variables and assigning values to them. Next, I use the print function to display the values of the variables A and B along with the plus operator. This will print hello world without any spaces on a single line. If you want to add a space between them, you should include a space within double quotation marks between the two variables. See the result. This is how we concatenate the strings. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in my next video.